everyone, it's Maria and welcome back to my channel. And well, today we are going to be blowing up Pepsi bottles with Mentos. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the Mentos inside of the Pepsi bottle. We're going to do this probably 2 times. We're going to put it inside the Pepsi bottle. We're going to screw the cap on as fast as we can, shake it up, set it down, and then run as fast as we can and aim that there, and you guys get to see the whole explosion. It's going to be so epic. So let's just get straight into the video, okay? Okay, so I'm outside, and there's the bag with the Mentos and the pop in it. I'm just going to get one of the bottles out and let it like sit for a little bit, because if I open it right now, it'll just blow up. So, don't need that.
All right.
Here we go. Whoa! Oh my gosh! It's more. It's coming. Don't worry. Do not worry. We have another one. That is so cool. Here. We're going to try to put all of them in at the same time. Okay. Give me. Okay. Here we go. Oh, dang it.
Watch out, honey.
That was so fun. I mean, you guys, I didn't, I expected for me to have enough time to twist the cap on, then it would explode the cap off. But we just, it didn't do that because I didn't have enough time to, put
Hey,
the
why
cap
don't you
on.
twist the cap on and shake it up? See what happens.
Okay, I'll do it. My dad just told me, he's the one recording, to, twist the cap on and shake it up.
And stand back. All right. Nah, I guess it's just that initial.
Because it just, like, took up all the fizz. Let's see if we can do it with the other one. Okay. I don't know if I'm shaking it hard enough. Dang it. Okay, but you guys, that was so cool. And thank you all for watching. Click that subscribe button down below. Like down below also. And comment down below. Nice comments. Spread happiness. Thank you all for watching. And I love you all